Did you know that you can fit a whole cargo plane in Neon?
We've added a new integration between PAX files and our sales module. You can now check your passengers against section list directly from the sales panel. In the user list, you can now filter your user by aircraft they are assigned to, making it much easier to manage group and fleet. And finally, we've expanded user profiles in Neon by adding several useful fields, giving you more flexibility and detail when managing your team.